Trump vows to appeal felony conviction. Here's how Trump's appeals process could play out. The typical appeals process for a convicted defendant in New York State can take almost a year or more. Donald Trump's lawyers could try to delay the process further after the former president was convicted on 34 felonies on Thursday. Under New York law, any appeal of the verdict comes after sentencing. Trump's sentence date is currently scheduled for July 11. As a defendant, Trump then has 30 days to file a notice of appeal. Once that notice is filed, Trump's legal team would typically have 6 months to complete procedural requirements like filing their appellate argument, as well as filing other relevant documents like the trial transcripts. Once the appeal is fully submitted, attorneys for the Manhattan District Attorney's Office would likely be given approximately 30 days to file a response. Trump's legal team will have one more opportunity to submit a brief in response to the prosecution's filing soon after that. A 5-judge panel for the Appellate Division First Department will then hear oral arguments from both sides and issue a written decision, which could take months. The panel is not subject to a deadline. If the lower appeals court ultimately rejects Trump's appeal and upholds the jury's verdict, Trump can take it to the Court of Appeals, New York's highest court. If the Court of Appeals decides to consider his case, which it is not required to do, another similar lengthy briefing process would begin before a panel of judges who would eventually hear arguments and deliver a written decision, likely months after the arguments.